Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Pinterest. So, one of the great things about Pinterest is that it's like an idea board for anything that you could look for. As you can see, I've got a lot of stuff here on Google, on books, reward coupons. So, what we're first going to start out with is creating a new board, and then we're going to move into pinning a pin to a board. So the function of the board is to collect certain ideas. So for instance, you see right here the once and future king. I have a board right now working on books that I could use in the classroom or just posters that I could have in the classroom for students to be able to look at books. So I could go here, you see this red save button, click that and it'll let me choose a board. So right here, it'll show me the top choices, so the ones that I'm most likely to pin those to, or all of the boards that I have. So this is going to go actually into books right up top. So if you highlight next to books, that red pin will come back up. You click the save pin, and that is now saved to books. So to create a new board, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my profile, click on the little picture icon, and then here you see the red plus sign. This red plus sign is how you create a board. So say for instance that I need to look for rewards in classroom. Go ahead and click create. And now you see that I have a whole new board. So I can search Pinterest for those rewards in classrooms, and it'll show me with anything that it has coming up. So it'll ask me about edible reward charts, compliment Kerplunk. So then what you do is you do the same thing. You go up to this red pin save button, hit that, and it'll ask you where you want to put it. Because this is a new board, it might not show up right away. So you have to scroll down here to rewards in classroom and hit that save again. So there you have it. There is creating a board and pinning pins to your new Pinterest account. Enjoy it. Have a nice day.